It's 2025 and life is expensive. You need money fast. No job, no experience, no problem. The internet is full of opportunities, and today you'll discover 5 ways to make money online fast, even if you have zero skills. AI is changing everything. You just discovered that people are making money using AI tools like ChatGPT, 5, Midjourney, and 11 Labs to create blog posts, generate images, and even do voiceovers. And businesses are paying for it. You just found a job where they get paid to talk to AI. Platforms like Remotasks, Clickworker, and OpenAI are hiring people to train AI chatbots by testing their responses and improving their accuracy. No degree, no experience, just type and get paid. Why work hourly when you can make money while you sleep? In 2025, selling digital products is one of the easiest ways to earn passive income. You could upload a Notion template, a resume design, and an AI-generated coloring book on Etsy. Ding! A sale notification pops up. Money earned, no extra effort. You just learned a secret. You don't even need to show your face to make money on YouTube. In 2025, AI-powered YouTube automation lets you create videos without filming or talking. Tools like Opus Clip, Pictory AI, and Muff AI generate scripts, edit videos, and add voiceovers. More views equals more ad revenue. Upload your first faceless video, and boom, 10,000 views overnight. Affiliate marketing is still one of the best ways to make money online. But in 2025, AI makes it effortless. Many use ChatGPT 5 to write engaging captions, Canva AI for graphics, and Linktree to share affiliate links on Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. One viral post, and the commissions start rolling in. In just a few days, you could go from broke and frustrated to making real money online. No job, no experience, just smart strategies. Now it's your turn. Which method are you trying first? Let me know in the comments.